In this video guide, I want to talk to you about Vinted, which is a website that helps you buy and sell used clothes and clothing and also accessories. So let me go real quick into the website in English for you. So I will use this other browser, which I have set to be in English. And this is the website I was talking about. It's called Vinted, and you also have a app version, so you can also use this same service into the smartphone, and you can also synchronize the accounts. So you just have to create an account, and then you can use it for both. And well, let me show you how the whole process goes. So first of all, Vinted is an online marketplace. It started as a local service, but then it spread it all over the world, and a lot of people use it. So let me go here in the first result, which is vinted.com. I will click here, and there I am. So I accept. It's asking me where do I live right now, but you know, you can use it in many countries. So let's say, well, I will say United Kingdom just to maintain the English language. Okay, I say accept right there, and there you go. So we have this first home page where we can just scroll down and see the latest items that are for sale. And you can also go into the categories and look for a particular accessory or a particular clothes. So if I click here and I go, for example, to jeans, then I can also select, oh sorry, I went back to men. Okay, from the catalog you can choose again man, woman or kids. You can choose the size, you can choose the color, you can choose also the brand, because this is all used stuff. So well, I won't say this one, and the price. So let's say £20 in this case, yeah, and condition. And also you can decide if you want to swap, if you want to exchange an item for another item. And in this case we don't have anything here, but maybe we have to get rid of some filters. Okay, so you can see that we can find something to swap, so we don't have to pay anything, we just have to give the other user something that he likes or she likes. Now let's get back here to the main page, to the home page, and this is for the buyers, so you can just go around and search for stuff. But if you also want to sell something, if you want to participate as a user, you just have to create an account, you have to sign up and log in, and then you can start to sell. So you click here, you can sign in with Facebook or Google or Apple, or you can create an account with an email and a password. And once you do that, you will be inside, you will be able to sell. You also, right here on the top, you find the same button. And I just created an account, so I want to show you real quick how it works. It will be in Italian, but I will explain it to you. It's pretty simple. So if I go back into this other browser, which is already set, you can see here this is my account and this is my avatar. So I will receive now notifications and messages. I can store my favorites, and I can also set my profile here. If I click here, I have settings, and I have my user profile, and I can change it, and I can enter other information or location and so on. Okay, but also I can click here, which is the same button that you saw before, and I can start to sell. So it will bring me to this page where I will upload a picture. So in this case, I'm just using something else. Well, this is a picture from another app, from another video guide, but I will use it as an example. So you can upload 20 photos if you want, or two or three, whatever. You have some suggestions also for the photos here. And also check our YouTube channel if you want to see other guides about other apps and other websites, you will find everything in video page or the playlist. You will find a lot of professional video courses. If you're interested, right here on the top you have the English video courses, and subscribe if you want. And let's get back here. So if I just well, I got a little bit lost. There you go. So I can continue to add many other pictures. These are all snapshots from other video guides here, like video editing, photo editing. Okay, let's add another one. So you can add pictures from your PC, your tablet, or your smartphone. If you're working with a smartphone, you can go to the gallery, and just after you have taken some shots of the article you want to sell, you can just upload in this area. And also, if you want to do this through the PC, you can transfer your file, and again, you can synchronize accounts with your smartphone. So here, then you have to add a title, a description, and categories, the brand, the condition of your item, the price, and if you want to swap it or not, if you are open to exchange your items. And now let me fill this real quick for you, just to show you all the stuff that you need to insert. Okay, just doing real fast. Okay, let's add a price, and I want to swap it. Okay, let's upload. Let's see what will happen. And there we go. So my article, it's been uploaded, my item. So I can proceed with another one, or I can do that later. And this is the profile page, so I can see here all my articles. So I can also create kind of a e-commerce page, like a e-store. If I have, for example, a store, an actual store that sells used items, I can also empower that with this other solution. So I will have a physical and online presence. Okay, so this is pretty easy. So now I can open this with my smartphone, with other devices, and I can check my page anytime. I can check my messages and so on. So everything else is taken care of by the website. So if I go here to see something that it's for sale, let's go here, for example. Okay, you can just buy this, and you have all the other information about the expedition and so on. You just have to think about also the expeditions. So you can contact then the well, these are sold. Let's go back, see something which is still for sale. There you go. So you can go right here, say buy now. Well, you have to log in. Then it will give you all the instructions to buy the thing. It's a transaction between you and the user. Again, you can swap it. And let me get back to this other. Okay, so if you want, you can also change the article. You can click, and this is the article again. So you can see that I can change the status. You can say, okay, it's sold, or you can also delete the object. You can modify anytime all the information. In this case, I want to delete it because it's not a real object. I don't want people buy this thing. Okay, and this is it. It's pretty simple, pretty nice, and it's something again against consumerism, or the waste of and pollution due to the to this market and so on. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel right here, YouTube channel. Subscribe if you want to support us. You can do it with the community or the store. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.